So since my last video on iron ore has taken a tumble. And it looks like iron ore is going to go even lower, perhaps to $120 or to $100 in the near term. And it looks like lump premium has also fallen off as well, which is very bad for GWR and not very good for Strike Resources. It is interesting to see the less dramatic fall in the 65% index rather than the 62% index. This may be an indication that China is looking for higher grade, perhaps due to the high met coal prices. This chart is a little outdated and met coal is trading at much higher levels. Using low-grade iron ore may consume more of the expensive coal within the blast furnace, which may explain the price differential between the high-grade and low-grade iron ore. Terracom, Tiger's Realm and Teck may be set to benefit. However, the economics are not looking great for GWR. And as iron ore has plummeted catastrophically, the Baltic Dry Index has skyrocketed exponentially. This is effectively crippling the margins of GWR and other high-cost miners. However, Phoenix Resources is about to declare its maiden dividend in mid-September. The dividend could even be between 20 and 30% yield. The dividend may potentially already be priced into the stock. However, if it is not, then we may see a large increase in the share price between now and the X date. And if the share price happens to rise between 28 cents to 40 cents, that could be a good 30% return for a trade. Also, keep in mind that Phoenix has executed an iron ore swap guaranteeing its profitability for the next year. Great news from Strike Resources. Strike has a potential South American buyer for its iron ore shipped from Peru. This will be excellent for Strike if they can sign a offtake. The 6-day voyage is even shorter than, say, a 10-day voyage from Port Hedland to China. Therefore, Strike won't be subject to higher shipping costs. And at 65.99% iron, this lump ore product that Strike is producing is outstanding. On the Australian side of things, Strike is developing Paulsens East. Strike's current proposal is to ship out of Port Hedland, which is over 600 kilometres. However, Strike is now investigating shipping out of Onslow, which would certainly be much cheaper in terms of haulage. And great news from Peru, the government there wants to start building a railway which would go all the way to Apurimac. With a rail link, Apurimac could be one of the lowest cost producers of iron ore in the world.